Hi Dotties, I'm Minnie. How was your 2025? Well, I don't know, but there were some things that were good, some were bad, you know how it is, like, that's life, I guess. This is Oink. So I will rest him here. Anyway, we are here to draw a bit. Well, as you know, I will complain. I always complain a bit. Why not? Honestly, you know, my 2025 was really surprising for me. I met someone new. I didn't expect that I will meet anyone, that I will have a new friend, basically my twin in heart. I know that she is watching it. For the very first time, actually my year was, well, bad, but nicely bad. Yeah, like it wasn't that bad. I didn't expect that I will actually meet someone, you know, like honestly, like at first I make a post on an online website. She responded. At first I was like, okay, that will be another person who will kind of text me for, I don't know, 2 days straight, and then she will forget about my existence and that's it, you know, because this is how usually people are. Even if they're looking for friends, they won't make any moves to be your friend. That's insane. Like, do you want to be friends or not? Wait, oink. But I thought that we won't be friends. Like, I thought that we will text a bit and then, you know, things kind of will, you know, go separate ways. But it didn't. And we actually went from the platform to Instagram. We are talking every day, and that was like surprising for me because I am very annoying. Anyway, because I already sent all my love to my twin. In 2025, I actually had a lot of kind of, you know, my mindset changed because I kind of realized that I can't kind of make people like me. You know, because if someone will like you, they will do anything to like keep up the conversation, to like make you feel that they like you. Because it's actually very easy for people to be like, well, I like you, but I won't text you. But I won't talk to you. I won't ask anything about you. There is no way we won't talk to each other, right? Because I like you. That's it, I like you. I don't want you to stop talking to me. Like, okay, we don't have to talk every second of our day, but, you know, at least once a day. Like, I would be like, hi, how are you? How was your, I don't know, breakfast? Did you sleep okay? You know, like the normal conversation, kind of. So this is why in 2026, we should stop kind of forcing people to keep up with us. I forgot to put my rings, wait. I put random rings that I have because my hands look better with rings. Anyway, if two people want to be friends with each other, they will click. This is the first thing. I think we should just stop trying to win everyone because that's not a win. So I will draft now a bit because I forgot that I was trying to draft. Okay, like my pen just died, so maybe this one will work. Another aspect, I kind of have this feeling when I was like in public spaces that I am taking up space, which is, well, it's very hard to like describe it, how it feels that you're taking up space and you shouldn't be here because, you know, like all of this. But at the same time, I feel like sometimes everyone feel like that. Okay, so the dress is absolutely horrendous. Well, I also started this channel in the previous year, so that's surprising because I kind of felt like I will never start, and I am a lot of closer to finals that I would like to be. But it's also a good thing because I will finally finish my high school, my trade school actually. Like, it's such a weird feeling that everything is kind of finishing. It's so weird. When I was posting my first video, I felt scared as hell. I felt very scared. I was really like, should I like click it? Because that's just a click. I was like, should I click it? Like, what I'm gonna do when I will click it? What should I do, like, after? Should I just go to sleep? Like, I can't sleep right now. Like, I spent hours on the editing. I can't just be scared right now. If I won't post it, I wasted my time. This is a bit different from what I do because I usually, as I said, hold the phone, and I feel a bit weird when nothing is moving around and I need to, you know, wave my hands. If you want to see a better edited video, because this video won't be that much edited, you can always check my other videos. I feel like this year was just a big surprise. But I am very happy that it turned out how it turned out. You know, it's just about me yapping about a little bit of everything. I am jumping around the subjects. Maybe I can just show you my first drawing ever. It's looking like this. I am recording for more than 30 minutes and I know that you will see like 5 minutes of this because I am yapping way too much and I am repeating my own words a few times. So we will finish like this Dotties. Oink is already like there's just a little bit of tea here. So I love loving you, Dottie, and see you next time.